of our learning and move to the next level. As we bid goodbye to kindergarten, on behalf of my classmates, I want to thank our beloved school, Malawanit Elementary School, and all our teachers for taking care of us, especially to our advisor, Mrs. Rosalie R. Bantang, for the patience and teaching us, to our dear parents, for your love and support. Also, I would like to thank my classmates for the joyful experience we shared. Congratulations, we made it despite the hardships we met. Above all, I want to give glory to our Almighty God and Jesus Christ for guiding us in our studies. Once again, congratulations